This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by targeting the weakest dreads first, locate thin spots and separate them gently. Once done, clean the scalp and work on damp, not soaking hair so the strands hold shape. Uses 0. 6-0. 8 mm crochet hook and a latch tool to interlock loose fibers. Insert at the base and pull inward toward the core to consolidate. Make sure to twist lightly while you pull to encourage matting. Repeat 6-10 passes until the section feels firm and secure. Now you rebuild volume by adding micro bundles where needed. Split a thin dread into workable zones and introduce tiny filler strands along the core. Once the filler is placed, use the crochet hook to weave those fibers in with short, perpendicular pulls so they lock into the existing mat. Make sure to compact the new material with palm rolling between passes. This encourages a tighter core. Repeat across all thin zones, balancing density so the dread remains uniform and not lumpy. Finish by palm rolling each repaired dread for 2 minutes to compress fibers and tuck any exposed ends with the latch tool to prevent snagging. Once done, assess symmetry and let the hair settle. Check again at 2 weeks and then monthly because adjustments are normal. If a repair loosens, don't over-crochet, reintroduce small filler bundles and perform targeted interlocks instead. If recurring unraveling occurs despite correct technique, seek a specialist to avoid thinning from repeated mechanical stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.